Today I'm quickly reviewing this ZORBES PS5 controller cover and answering one question: is it actually useful or not? Installing this is very simple. You just stretch the cover over the controller and align the buttons. It fits tightly and doesn't feel loose. You also get this thumbstick grips. The material feels soft, flexible and slightly textured. Let's now apply the trackpad cover. The grip feels better, especially around the handles and the thumbstick. It really helps with the sweat and long gaming session. The trackpad cover doesn't affect the touch sensitivity, it works fine. It looks playful but still clean and premium. Honestly, it kind of gives Astro Bot vibes with this blue and white look. Now, talking about price, it's available in Amazon for 757 rupees and it keeps changing as per discount. Coming to pros and cons, you get better grip and comfort, protects the controller and the trackpad, and it's easy to install. However, it feels slightly bulkier and the silicone feel may not be for everyone. I hope this video was informative. Please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.